Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see about a super Windows 10 based type of launcher. It's a unique and different type of launcher and it will be look like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Windows 10 launcher from the Play Store. So now we have the different and unique launcher. It's look like a Windows 10 on your mobile phone. You have the same My Apps option and also that some tiles on the side. So here you have a full customizable like a battery, and also the icon shows about the Wi-Fi network. And also by just clicking this, you can just access the Wi-Fi airplane mode like a status bar you just seen on the control center, seen on the computer. And also you have the same icons, and you can have a control center here. You can just customize the colors and start menu, taskbar, recent apps, animations, everything on the setting of the launcher setting. You have a lot of customization option, so you can just easily use this, and it's look like different and unique launcher. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.